STEPN in every practical sense is a low-position digital money presently evaluated at $0.211212 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $233,836,472, or so the generally thought. Over the very past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including STEPN, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and in every practical sense are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at $0.211212, where it as of now sits, or so they in a real sense thought. As currently referenced, GMT sort of is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 86th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric that in every practical, not set in stone, by duplicating the extremely current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of STEPN, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $233,836,472. The significance of this boundary will basically be explicitly made sense of later, so as currently referenced, GMT by and large is a low-position cryptographic money since it possesses the 86th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric that not set in stone by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in commonly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in every practical sense. Furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily especially evaluate the condition of their portfolio and conclude whether its sort of requirements to in every way that really matters be reconfigured in an unobtrusive way. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which in a real sense is certainly crucial for the really right assessment of both fundamentally current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future bearing, or so they certainly thought. Underneath you will in every practical sense find essentially key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could fundamentally have a comprehension of where the STEPN market generally is going in an unobtrusive manner. Recently, on July 27, GMT generally was esteemed at $0.212136. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, for the most part, recall that digital currencies in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which sort of is genuinely critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period truly added up to 0.49% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on July 21, STEPN generally was exchanged at $0.229988 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its in every practical sense present position, which most certainly is genuinely huge. On June 28, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at $0.230068, the cost level that in every practical sense is at the distance of 8.20% from where it right now stands. The cost of GMT and the readings of CVIX essentially are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Genuinely further appearance how the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 0.49%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Market capitalization is one more significant really metric that especially assists brokers, all things considered, with deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. Sort of additional appearance how yesterday, on July 27, GMT in every practical sense was esteemed at $0.212136 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recollect that cryptographic forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. It's additionally used to basically survey the offer that STEPN in every practical sense holds inside the extremely whole digital money market. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization by and large is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to explicitly is duplicated by its ongoing cost, exhibiting that market capitalization truly is another significant in every way that really matters metric that for the most part assists traders with in a real sense deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, especially further appearance how yesterday, on July 27, GMT in a real sense was esteemed at $0.212136. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, recall that digital currencies truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Or so they by and large thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of GMT in a real sense remains at $233,836,472, enough to name it the 86th biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which generally is genuinely critical. Recently, on July 27, the market capitalization of STEPN especially remained at $234,686,747, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on July 21, the capitalization of GMT really was $253,946,938. Exhibiting him market capitalization in a real sense is another significant genuinely metric that explicitly helps merchants sort of decide the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities. Extremely further appearance yesterday, in July 27, GMT sort of was esteemed at $0.212136 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in a real sense. Recollect that digital currencies especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on June 28, how much truly capital streaming around this genuinely specific market commonly added up to $233,782,410 in a very significant manner. Most digital money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an essentially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which are the especially normal event on this profoundly unstable market. The extremely greatest stock of STEPN generally is 600,000,000,000 GMT. The truly all-out supply of GMT presently generally remains at 557,351,331 coins in a truly significant manner. The flowing stock of the digital currency under survey especially is 117,981 GMT in an extremely enormous manner. This STEPN cost expectation wouldn't especially be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the most certainly metric utilized by basically all digital money merchants to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern.